I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or if you want to learn how to save money on a low income budget for the future, or just money in general, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So we're back with another roll and save randomizer, and we're going to jump right into the video. Again, I am on a low income budget, so I'm going to use $10 to cash stuff for my birthday next year, June 23rd. I'm going to take the dice, roll it, and see which number comes up for which envelope I need to stuff $1 into. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me shake that one more time. So we're going to stuff envelope number 4 with $1. So we have birthday, hair, nails. So perfume is envelope number 4. Envelope number 5, which is self-care. Uh-oh, it was on 6, but I'll do it again. One more time. Okay, envelope number 1. Envelope number 2. Uh-oh. It went to 3, but I don't know, I'm clumsy today. I don't know what's going on. I got butterfingers today. Okay, envelope number 2. Was on 6. So envelope number 6, which is shopping. Envelope number 2, which is hair. Envelope number 1, which is birthday. Envelope number 1 again, which is birthday. And envelope number 6, which is shopping. Alright, so we weren't able to fill as many envelopes as I would have liked to today, but that's perfectly fine. We're still going to count the money anyways and see how much we have in the binder overall. So for birthday, we were able to save $3. So now we have, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 76 for birthday. Next, for hair, we were able to save $3. So we now have, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $68. And we weren't able to stuff anything into nails. That's okay. Let's see how much we have in here. So we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $39 into nails. For perfume, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $36. For self-care, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $75. And for shopping, we were able to save $2. So now we have, let's see, 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $59. So that is all for today. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.